Hello, I'm live. I've actually got a half decent setup. The music is really loud on my end, so I have no idea how loud it is on yours. Just fix that. There we go. I've spent like a solid 45 minutes actually making stuff, like a thumbnail and starting soon screen, which I think looks really cool. I am going to work on it some more, but I think it looks awesome. Anyway. Is this the scene? That is my Discord. We can barely hear it, so turn it up a bit more. Okay. I don't know if I need turned up, but let me know if I do. Let me make sure that everything is, like, I should have checked. That's it. Well, not just that, I also, like, had to redo a bunch of audio stuff. Like, it wasn't just the starting zoom screen took 45 minutes in the thumbnail. I was also doing some other stuff. But yeah, I'm here. I had to completely reinstall my IDE today because things just were not working. Oh my goodness, no, I don't care. There we go. Yeah, so I plan on using the stream. I'm gonna figure out how to properly use Raylib, which seems to be a pretty decent graphics library. I was messing around with it a bit earlier today. I'm also coding in C now, you know, a real language. Unlike whatever I was using on Godot last time I streamed. But yeah, I am coding. I actually plan on doing proper coding without the help of chat today. Other than that, I actually need to set this up differently. Because I made, just so I didn't have to do a bunch of setup stuff, I did make a default program, which I can just, whenever I want to make something new, I just. So we're gonna name this one Floating Sarah, because that's what I plan on remaking today. I plan on remaking Floating Sarah. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Again, I don't know how to use Raylib, so we're gonna open VS Code. I actually just want to open folder. Yeah, Floating Sarah. Let that load up. There we go. I got all my stuff. Folder contains workspace. Do you want to open it? No. Configuring project. Code can be executed in dry run. Sure. That might have broken something. I hope not. Actually, let's test if it works. It should just, like, it's all set up to just open a window. Is it working? Something might have... There we... No, it works. Alright. Oh, I did something with OB. I, like, closed all my windows. Everything got minimized. Oh, look. A window. That's all that matters. Alright, we've got a window. So I think first thing to do is probably actually set, like, the title and stuff. Floating Sarah. Actually, I don't need set title. I can just do it in the initialize window. Just do it there. What else do I need to do? Change... I guess probably remove the draw text. Don't really need that. Also, we can just, I guess, clear the drawing entirely. Like, we don't really need any drawing. And if so, well, we need drawing for the actual sprites and stuff, but I'll probably end up moving that to a separate file. But for now, let's just see what this is like. Yep, alright. It is just a black window. I'm actually gonna... this might break something, but I just want to see what happens if I swap these around. Okay, it needs to be a tad bit wider, but... maybe double that? Probably not no, not double it. It just needs to be wider. Maybe 700? Not 700, 600. Close that. Rerun. I wonder if this has hot reload, actually. Does VS Code have hot reload? I know VS does. I don't know about VS Code, though. Yeah, that's a better... 900. What do these up here do? I'll restart. Yeah, that just reloads. That's so I don't have to close it and reopen it. That just does it for me. There we go. That, I think that's a good window size for floating Sarah. Yeah, okay, so I guess we need a background color. I don't know what the Raylib colors are. I've got the cheat sheet up here. Well, no, it has every single Raylib function and what they do. And I think, if I remember, I want to check, are all the modules included? Like, if I do image load image, load image. Yeah, okay, yeah, it is. Okay, yeah. All the modules are included. I wasn't sure. Anyway, are the color codes included? Or is there a way to do custom... yeah, colors, here we go. Custom Raylib color palettes for amazing visuals on white background. Okay, I want to know, is there a way to, like, add my own colors? Like, is there a struct which allows me to... oh, struct color. Okay, yeah. So, am I able to make my own color and call that? I'll just do... yes, sky... I'll just do sky blue for now. Just sky blue, that's what it's called. And I need to get how to actually add background. That'd be in window, I think. Set window. We set background. Is that? Press Control F. Background. Set back. That's clear background color. Image clear background. Maybe it is clear background. Clear background and then like the color. Clear background. Sky blue. Does that work? Yeah, it does. Alright. You can definitely... yeah, I know I can make your own, like, my own colors. I was just looking through how, and it looks like it's just done through structs. Like, make a struct with the RGB and alpha keys. And then I can call it in, like, clear background. But for now, I think that color's alright. Yeah, I think if I need to change it later, I will. But let's actually get player control. So I need to get... I'm actually going to move... I think background I'll keep on the main file, but I'm going to have Sarah and like clouds and stuff be drawn in a separate file. So I'm trying to figure out how I so I should probably create a new file. New file. Sarah, I guess, .c. Now before I want to include Sarah.c. Include Sarah.c. So now I should be able to call functions from here. I do need to include Raylib.h though. Okay, include Raylib.header. Okay, I guess it'd be a void function. Void draw Sarah. Okay, so I want to, in main, just call that as a... So, Sarah. Draw Sarah, that's what it's called. Okay, now how would I go about actually drawing Sarah? Draw... Can I draw an image? And set window icon. I don't have any of those. This is textures. Load image? Yeah, I guess load image, I guess. No, that loads it into the RAM, though. That doesn't actually draw it. Oh, this is drawing, I guess. Draw and draw. I'll just draw a rectangle for now. I don't actually have a... Sarah icon. So what is it? Draw rectangle... Draw a rectangle at, I guess, 10, 10, make it 50 wide, 50 high, and we can make it red. Now I build. Oh, alright, it's supposed to build it in main. We've got a square drawing. This is so much easier than doing an OpenGL. Like, I've done the OpenGL stuff, and oh my god, it took me like 4 hours to get a triangle drawing. Yeah, I actually want to draw that like at the bottom of the screen. That's where I want Sarah to be. So if it's, what, 900 high, I guess maybe at 890? 890. Nope. Because it's 50, so I need 840 actually. 840. Yep, there we go. I might end up bringing it up or across a bit later, but for now, I think that's fine. I just need to figure out how to get it to move now. So, well, I guess that'd be an input. Well, actually, I can do Sarah. That's just drawing Sarah. I need void Sarah controls. You can call this separately. So if to get key, yeah, get key pressed. I guess we'll do W, like A and D movement. If get key pressed A, apparently that's wrong. What's wrong with that? Too many arguments in function call? Get key press. No, it's is key press, not get key press. Is key pressed or down? I think it's, yeah, down. Is key down? A, and then move, just put a comment for what I need to do. Move left. If is key down. D, and then move right. Alright, there we go. I'm not going to follow the mouse because the original floating Sarah was keyboard controls, not mouse movement. I know Falling James is mouse movement, but we're better than Falling James. We're big brain. We use our keyboards, not our mice. Unlike the average Falling James player. Now what? By the way, if any sound needs altered, like voice or music, just let me know. Okay, so that'd be... yeah. I'm just gonna comment on here real quick. Draw rectangle folder for Sarah. That's just so I remember what it does. So now how do I get that to move? There's touchscreen input on Raylib? That's pretty cool. I could actually just get it to... I could get it to follow the mouse. I could get it to match the X chord of the mouse. Anywho, shapes, textures, text, model. That's 3D, isn't it? Audio. That's structs. Maybe I should set it as a... Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. Drawing. So I want... Oh, it needs to be in something. I got it. So I need an int for Sarah. X. Yeah, int Sarah X. And it will draw a rectangle. For now, I'll just have it equal 840. Just for time being. And Sarah X equals 840, and I need this as Sarah X. So now I could have it so I can alter this in here. How do I use pointers again? Because I don't think, because these are separate functions, I don't think it'll let me, yeah, I don't think it lets me, Sarah, yeah. It doesn't let me, so. I need to remember how pointers work. Pointers, C. Alright, the creating pointers. Yeah, alright, so. Yeah, int with the asterisks. You know, I'm just gonna use pointer. Actually, I won't use point. That'll be confusing. So int asterisk Sarah X pointer. equals and Sarah X. So that should give me the pointer with Sarah X. Yeah, and then I can dereference with yeah, by calling it with the asterisk before. Asterisk Sarah. No, how do I call pointers between functions again? I know I can do it. Call pointers over separate functions. No, it doesn't. Never mind, I'm wrong. I thought you could do that with... How to... Oh wait, I know what I could do. Change this to an int instead of a void. Can int x. It's Sarah X. I don't know why so get rid of the pointer. Fix that. So I can make it so return Sarah X plus 5. I don't know if this might just draw a really long rectangle because I don't think I'm actually clearing. It seems to be -5. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to clamp it to the screen, but I'll figure that out later. Yeah, because it's gonna do it every frame, so I could do int Sarah X equals Sarah controls. And I do need an initial int Sarah X equals... How wide is it again? Because I want to kind of put it in the middle. So 600, if it's 50 wide... Take 50, so 550, 225. 225. Does that... I don't know if that'll work, but it's worth a shot. Oh wait, am I not actually... I don't think I'm actually calling... No, I'm not. I didn't actually call the function. Oh wait, it needs a... Wait, no, I shouldn't need to call it, because this calls it. Draw Sarah calls it. And I should call it, like, every frame. Oh wait, because I know why it's not working. I should fix it. What do you mean undeclared? Oh wait, I didn't. No, that's... Alright. How do I declare this again? No, I'm not using the help of chat. I have Google with me. Functions. I need function declaration. Yeah, it just needs to match that, doesn't it? Does it not match it? Redefinition of Sarah. I should probably also... Actually, I don't need to add an else. So why is this not working? I called it. Fair control. Yeah, that's right. I mean, I guess I could just... do that. Sarah controls undeclared first use of this function. It's not. Is it just... If I reload... Because I'm getting an error down here. If I just reload VS Code, does that fix it? Like, is it just like a bug? I think it was just a bug. Let's go wait for it to load up now. Okay, it's still not moving. Do I have to put it here? Do I have to put it up here, like in this area here, update? I mean, I'm getting an error here. If I just change this to X. This won't change anything, but it will make it easier for me to figure out in my head. So declare it, and I want to change it, but why can I not change it? Do I have to do... Oh, it's... Was it the whole time because I was calling it? Or because I had it in, like, declaration? I removed the declaration. Does that fix it? Yeah, redefinition. So I think, yeah, that should be fixed now. Because I'm no longer redefining it. Oh. That's not right. And I think I know what I did there. Else, I mean, it's giving me a warning, but to be honest, I don't think it actually matters. Warnings are... Oh, okay, that's more of an improvement. That's more of an improvement, I guess. Um, let me put it back down to 890. No, 840 it was. Is it because I just need to... I did not start it in main, that's why I gave me an error. No, it doesn't like moving. I guess maybe because it's not... What I could do is move this into... Because it might be resetting because it's having to call this... Like, it runs this whole code. And then it reaches the end and, like, it draws and then it resets. Maybe that's what it is? I mean, it's not like drawing a line. It is doing it properly. I just need to figure out a way to keep it there. Also, it does move by 5, so I need 10. 10. Also, I'm just gonna make it 8225. Nope, it didn't change the fact that it did. Did I not save the file, actually? It might have just been I didn't save the file. No, it's not. Oh! It loves drawing the rectangle over there. I mean, I could make it like you teleport to dodge the clouds. I still need to figure out how I'm going to do the clouds as well. I think that's going to be an even bigger challenge. I'm sure I'll figure it out. I have no clue if chat's frozen or if no one's watching. Either way, I should probably refresh chat just in case. Test. That's not how I spell. Okay, no, it's not frozen. Okay. I just want to double check because I was like, it would be a real shame if like there was someone there, like chatting, and I just didn't know. Okay, so doing that just teleports it. So, back in Sarah. So I guess I need... I don't know. It should be drawing Sarah here. I'm actually going to int this and make int Sarah X. Just so I don't have to declare anymore. I should remove that entire line. There we go. So yeah, int Sarah X. So I need to go to main, and when I'm doing this, I need to 255. Does that work? It does work. I can just put in a number. Why is it always drawn at 0? Unless unless I'm like holding down the key, it always draws it at 0. I guess just... I could do a while loop. While... I'm just gonna make something that's always true. Will always be true equals true. While always be true. Do this forever. Why is that wrong? Oh, expected a semicolon? Do while loops need semicolons? I guess... Oh, wait, no, it's this bit that needs a semicolon. Yeah, I didn't think they did. Because they're on the same premise as, like, if statements, and if statements don't need them. Oh. I think I just made a... Oh, that's... I can't close the window. Oh no. Oh. Uh-oh. That's what we call a memory leak. I assume. Let's not do that then. Let's not have the window that draws a singular square use 1.2 gigabytes of RAM and continue to increase. That probably lagged streams so much. It's just... I mean, the thing is, it is always running it. Again, I ran it from the wrong file. I do that a lot. You know what? Now I've got 2 squares. Great, now I got 2 squares. But I'm getting closer. I'm getting there. Okay. Is it something to do in here then? Oh, I've got 2 draw calls now. Maybe what I should do is... Well, I don't know why it's so far ahead. Like, why there's like a whole tab. What I'm actually gonna do is get a print F. %D. Sarah, I just want it to print out, like constantly print out what Sarah X is equal to. And it's not gonna work, I built on the wrong file. I'm getting a lot of warnings in this file, but I continue to not care. Now it doesn't even move. It's also not printing. Can I just hit ignore? I know you can do that in Unity. Yeah, we'll cancel. We'll stop the program. I guess that doesn't work here. What happens if I move this? Just leave that empty. If key down, then make Sarah X. Sarah X plus 10. We'll change this back to a void. Int Sarah X equals. No, I don't want it to equal anything. We're just don't touch. We could also get rid of this. And I'm gonna rename this to just Sarah. And get rid of that. Cleaner code might fix things. What do you mean it doesn't exist? Oh, I need to actually update that. Again, that's... Oh, that's even worse. That just makes it disappear. I just want Square to go side to side. I've been streaming for nearly 40 minutes. And this is all I got. Maybe I need to declare... Yeah, I'm gonna declare in initialization. Just below set target FPS. Yeah, I'll do it just below set target. Int Sarah X equals 225. Then down in like while it's constantly running. Sarah X equals return. No, not return, equals Sarah. Now that's not gonna. Now that's gonna say it's invalid because that will say it's invalid due to the fact that it's a void at the moment. So we'll just change that to an int. So do that. So each time it's gonna... That should update the X. Then if I move this to here, I don't think that'll work, but we can always give it a try. Let's just remove that, put that in there. How do I... I'm just gonna do this just to get it to update on any... That is actually an error because of that. Now if I, again, build it just to recheck for errors. Yeah, now it's just a warning. Again, I keep naming variables capitals. That's just wrong. What's up with me today? Oh! Oh, we got something. It does reset when you let go, but we do have something. Yeah, we do. Hell yeah, we have. It only took 47 minutes. I could make it so when you like, because I used to have a thing, if you hit the sides, what it would do is it would reset your position to the middle. I could actually still have that as a feature where if you let go, I could make it if you do space, it resets. Just like have it as some. I might not, but I might. That could be like a funny thing, just because I mean when that was originally put in the game, that was just because I didn't know what I was doing. Like I didn't know how I could clamp the the sprite for Sarah. I'm coming for Falling James's place as #1 best infinite falling game. I'm just trying to think where I would go next with this. Probably... Should probably fixing why it keeps resetting to the center. I think it thinks that X is 0. But why does it think that X is 0? Is it just when it lets go? I do in here start Sarah X equals 225. Let's just see if that works. I built in the wrong file again. I'm great at what I do. No, I've ruined it again. I had it working. Why does it keep putting it at 0? We're just gonna, yeah, remove. What if I put it at something like 1,000? If I put it 10? I have no clue how I could fix it. Why does it always draw to there? Sarah X should equal... It doesn't matter what I change it to. If I change it to just an absurdly high number. It's still there. Why? It should be 225. Okay, what if I just null this real quick? It should be 250, shouldn't it? Internet dipped. It's back now. Okay, well, this tells me that I reconnected successful. Internet. I need to bring my chat back. There we go. Okay, chat's back. Stream's back. Okay, so that tells me that it is something in here. It is indeed something to do with the movement. So why does it do that? I'm trying to think. Is it the... No, because it's got the... Oh, it keeps resetting it back to 0, I guess. I guess maybe I could, instead of just returning the new value, do Sarah X equals... That might be wrong, I think. Do Sarah X plus... And then I can return Sarah X. Maybe that'd work. I think did I just build on the wrong thing? No, I didn't build. Oh, it's already built. That's why. Now it's not even moving again. Great. Oh wait, it's because I got rid of this. I did get rid of that warning though, so that's good. Nope. That's... I mean, it stays in the spot now. It does stay in the spot now. Great. Update your variables here. Maybe I should just... This won't change anything, but I'm gonna put it here instead. I know this won't actually change anything, but... Yeah, okay, so... It does stay in the correct... How do I print text to screen? Cheat sheet. Actually, it might just be easier if I just open an example. If the page lets me. Let me reload the page. Alright, you steal the code or it prints it. Yeah, draw text. Here we go. So, yeah, I want an update. Draw text. %D. Sarah X. Is that not gonna work? Does it have to go after? I guess maybe it has to go after this, all this stuff. But I need it to draw the text. Oh. Oh. Different color. So that works, but it can't get the... it can't print out the thing. Maybe I can check it at the example where it prints out the frame rate. I know there is one where it prints frame rate. Yeah, this one. So where does it draw the FPS? Oh, that's draw FPS. No, I don't want draw FPS. Is there one for just draw variable? Text formatting with variable art. I guess this one then. So is that text format? Text format. How do I do it? Just the text. %D Sarah X. Wouldn't I have to give it the someone's trying to allocate memory? Would I not have to do like 10? Does that work? Like, does that tell it where to print it? I just need like a debug thing. I just needed like a debug thing. To print a variable to screen Raylib. Is right if you want to display text, the issue might have to do with input. But to check variable variables quite easily in debug mode. Can I do that in debug mode on here? How to check variable value debug VS Code. Set a breakpoint in your code and start debugging. When paused at a breakpoint, hover over any variable in the current scope. Okay. I don't... That's here, isn't it? So yeah, I guess I'll do a breakpoint there. Is that how you do breakpoints again? I can't actually remember. Sarah X is 275. So it's 275 there. Now if I step over... I did not mean to do that. Oh. Add log point? No, that's not it. Conditional breakpoint. Breakpoint expression evaluates to true. I guess Sarah X is less or is less than 200. Sarah X is on -10. Why is it negative? Hello, Jendon. Why is it -10 now? Okay, so this is the dilemma. Why is it -10? Oh, is it because I did it the wrong way around? Is that why? Breakpoint Sarah X. Yep. Continue. So remove the breakpoint. Continue. Oh my goodness! It's just because I wrote them the other way around. I was telling it to equal positive or -10, not add or remove 10. I'm an idiot. I've been stuck on this bug for like 20 minutes. Oh, I'm actually an idiot. Well, I did it. It works. It can go off screen, but it does work. Hip hip hooray. And I might move all this stuff to Sarah.c now. So let's hope I don't break anything in the process. So every update, I just want it to run this. I want to run. I just need to move the draw rectangle. Also, I guess I do need to move this as well. This might break some things. So this is Sarah controls. This this does this. Now I want int. So this is void. Void. Draw Sarah. That will draw it there. I actually need this to be an int, not a void. Int draw Sarah X. I need Sarah X to equal. I didn't mean to do 2 extra tabs. Update bars here. So every update it should call Sarah not Sarah controls. Draw Sarah with Sarah X as the input. This might have just broken everything, but we'll find out in a sec. I really hope it didn't, because yeah. Now it's frozen. Segmentation fault. What is a segmentation fault? I guess I should put the... Okay, can I just... Can I just put it back how it was? I'm just putting it back. It worked. It worked how it was. If it works, don't touch it. If it works, don't touch it. That's what I like to say. It still doesn't. Did I not save the file? Okay, we're gonna stop. Now we're gonna run. I've completely stopped it. If this broke, I'm gonna be so annoyed because it was working. Okay, no, it works now. I'm gonna actually raise Sarah up a bit. Bring it up to like 820 maybe. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, I need to figure out how to clamp it now. How to like make it not go out of the border. I mean, I could probably just like add a collision box or something, like just like have a collision outside of the box. It's like invisible. But I don't know how to do collision. Is there something in here for collision? I can check collision between 2 bounding boxes. Which, how do I make a bounding box? Bounding box. Let's go back to 1. That's in models, we're not after models. I guess I have to create a struct. Or I could just also Google how to make collision in Raylib. I could just do this. How do I create collisions? R/Raylib. There we go. Make collisions. First, if a player runs into a wall, how do I get them to stop on contact? Start with rectangles. There's a built-in collision system for rectangles, making it pretty easy. The code below is for Go, not C or whatever language you might use. It translates it. Basically, define player and wall variables as rectangles. If you put all wall rectangles in the slice, then you can check for collisions with player easily. I use to check rectangle next move, as it means it can detect the next move before the collision has happened. The legend you got the rectangles intersecting. The for loop checks the rectangle. Okay, so I don't know what player rec. One possible way to reposition the player with the square hitbox collision. If the player to back onto the axis for the shortest penetration. Example how this could be implemented. I don't constant int if key down. So that's just movement, I guess. Oh yeah, moving the rectangle. I just spent ages trying to figure that out on my own. So how do I get the width of the rectangles? I guess I could just run the same code I used to get it to move, like have like a box or something. But no, if it would let me exit the Reddit page, I guess not. Conclusion in Raylib. Maybe I should make a player sprite. Well, it is 50 by 50, right? How do I actually... I might do that because I'm very worried that Sarah will be a rectangle for the rest of her life. And I don't think she would appreciate that. Okay, so I want to that's a lot for one script. I would personally split it over multiple scripts. But you know what? Each to their own. Could just be me. Anywho. Yeah. You know? So I need to open paint. It's 50 by 50, right? Yeah, 50 by 50. That's how big Sarah is. Is that a good size, or should I make it bigger? Like, maybe bigger. Let's see what big looks like. Let's try like 75 by 75s. Let's do 64 by 64, because that's like a standard pixel art size. That's way too big. Yeah, let me try 64 by 64. Again, too big. Maybe I should just have it 50 by 50. But that seems too small. 55 by 55? Maybe? Let's try 60 by 60. Yeah, we'll do 60 by 60. Image resize 60 by 60. Okay. This is Sarah size. Now, I want like a quick. This is gonna look really bad because it's just like a demo. Like arms, legs, head. Maybe I should be using the pencil tool. I really need like a drawing tablet. My old one, like, it's gone now. Maybe use the shape tool. That is a square. Sarah is not a square. I guess paintbrush, I can... Is there symmetry in... I guess not. And I guess I can always, like... Is that the middle? Oh, the middle's like over 2... That's really annoying. I guess I could always... do that. And then I can do that. I guess for this I'd have to do it on new layer and then layers flip. Look at that. Symmetry. Now I want to cut that. Oh yeah, I should actually merge layers down. Because I want to kind of make that a bit smoother. Yeah, that works. And then... Womp, womp, womp. Womp. Layers. Flip. Down a layer below it, which I will paint bucket white. And now merge layers. There, look at that. Sarah is looking phenomenal. Good job to Sarah. I just want to check, is this the middle? Did I actually like get it spot on? So if I copy that, layer, I got it spot on. Damn. Good on me. Okay. So now I'll only focus on one side, and then I can like copy it over after. So I want Sarah's leg. And then Sarah's I can't do arms. Like, looks like a turtle. This looks like a turtle. I just need to give Sarah a face. Does not look good. Maybe I should like commission Slyfox. Be like, hey, you helped with Falling James. You want like I'll pay you. I'll give you 20 bucks if you can do some art for... Yeah, maybe I should do. I should contact Slackbox and be like, hey, can I commission you to do some art for floating Sarah? I mean, actually, I'm gonna pull his stuff up. Slyfox itch. Yeah, Slyfox itch. His art's really good. Like, no, ignore this. This game sucks. This game's really bad. Don't ever play this. But like, I had a look at some of the tile sets he's done, and they're really good. Like, by the way, I'm actually gonna pull up the original. Do not unsubscribe. I'm gonna pull up the original floating Sarah. See, he's even commented on it. He's even. I'm actually gonna pull up the original floating Sarah. And I'm gonna show you what this is basically gonna turn into, the game we're making right now. As you can see, yeah, this is it. Really, really bad. Sarah does have a red... I completely forgot Sarah had a red dress. So... I guess I gotta alter the sprite. Yeah, anyway, that's basically it. That's it. I'm gonna redo this thing. Because she has a dress. Wait, because it's on a separate layer. Yeah, I can just remove it. And then what I want to do is get this and remove that. Because I'll like bring it so it's more like in like that, I guess. I might actually just remove this entire section. And I'll draw a line down where the middle is, as I will remove that after. Okay. Yeah, that's like the dress. So let me copy. New layer, paste, layers, flip. Paint bucket. Yeah, that's like, that actually looks so much nicer immediately. I'm gonna also new layer, image, oh, layers, flip, there we go. Merge everything down. Okay, so that's Sarah's dress. I guess we need her legs. I don't know why I keep going to redraw on the other side. Symmetry is an excellent tool. So legs, and then get her arm. Honestly, oh, by the way, Falling James, I really want to, like, I want to ask Doom for the source code, and I just want to change the only thing I want to change is I just want to add Sarah. Like just swap the sprite for James to Sarah. Anyway, her hair, she's got quite long hair. Sarah is floating and she needs assistance. This actually looks really good. Now I wanna like brown, cause she's like brown hair. I'm kind of just going off the original like sprite. That sprite there. But like remaking it nicer. Because I actually have art skills now. Well, kind of. They're still not too great, but I have done some practice. Like, and then we can switch to black for her mouth. I think I want the pencil tool for this. But make it a bit, not lighter, a bit more, like, less opacity. It looks high. I'm gonna put a screenshot of this in my Discord. Where is it? I was gonna put it in general with no context. No context stream screenshot. There we go. Anyway, now I guess I kind of need a skin tone. I guess I don't really know what skin tone Sarah has. Also, I don't know why I did the face before I did the skin tone, so I guess I gotta like... Oh, that's perfect shape. Like, for it to just fit in without actually... you know, doing things. I can talk. Now I need like a skin tone, like a Caucasian skin tone, I guess. What's this look like? Yeah, I guess that one's pretty alright. Maybe a little bit darker. Maybe it needs more red. There we go. Yeah, that's a good skin tone. I will go over the borders with like a not like a less thick thing. Just need to remove that so I knew where I had drawn. That is the wrong layer. That is still the wrong layer. There we go. I didn't remove a bit. There we go. We'll do the arms. Does she have shoes in the original? She does. She has black shoes. So I gotta give her some shoes, some black high heels, I guess. You know, I think high heels would have like fallen off considering she is floating. Where is she floating to? No one knows. I actually have assignments due on like Wednesday that I should definitely be working on, but instead I am remaking the first game I ever made. Well, not the first game I ever made, but like like the first one I ever publicly made, like released. Now it just looks like she's been like shot. Sarah is bleeding. To get floating Sarah, we need the sequel, Bleeding Sarah. Which is, like, she fell, hit the ground, and now she's bleeding out, and the goal of the game is to get her an ambulance. Now that's the type of game I'd play. I guess maybe I think I need to black and like kind of, yeah, get this bit as more of a yeah, now it looks like it blends, but I guess maybe make it a wee bit darker, like just around that bit there, so you can see depth. That's right. I know what depth is. I am an artist. Now it just looks like she's like got something swollen on her neck. And now that I've got the kind of rough thing, now I gotta go over it with like a finer tool. Just like for the outline. And then once I got the outline, I can go through and like add some extra details. Because I am an artist. I don't know how much longer I'm going to stream for, but I do want to at least get Sarah in the game and moving. That's the minimum. I'm expected dev. By the way, if anyone is watching, expect a dev vlog start of next week, not this week, because as we all know, the weeks start on Sunday. That's how they work. But expect on like next Monday, Tuesday-ish. I plan on working on it over the weekend, or through the week into the weekend. That's my goal. Like it's been on my to-do list for like who knows how long, and I'm finally getting one out. I'll get her shoes in a second. Oh, lovely shoes, iconic. There's Sarah. I don't know what texture's better, that one or that one. They're both pretty rubbish. Oh, she has blue eyes, not like void black eyes. Now it's Sans Undertale. Do 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 do. I'm gonna put this. Sorry, I gotta send a picture of this in my group chat. That would love this. Anyway, no, I gotta use like the paintbrush tool, like a lower opacity. Maybe not. Maybe I should pencil tool. And I want white, and then I want like a gray low opacity. There we go. I think that actually looks really good. What color map? She's got like a dark, I think she has lipstick on, so I'm gonna give her some lipstick. It's like dark red lipstick though. So what I'm actually gonna do is go over each tile once, and these ones here go over it. There we go. Look at this. Now I'm gonna use recolor. Well, actually, first I'm gonna color pick. Actually, I don't need a recolor. I just need paintbrush tool, with a different opacity. Like a darker version. Just for some finer detail. Look at this. Now, really low opacity, just there. What else? What else do I want to add? Like, I've spent so long on this because I'm procrastinating going back to coding. I guess, yeah, different, like detailing around there as well, like under the hair. I guess there as well. That kind of adds like texture to the shoe. Like it makes it look like there's like a bit of the shoe, like a buckle, I guess. I might actually do that more down and then have a solid bit that comes over. Look at that. She's beautiful. She is the Sarah. She is the Sarah who floats. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's much too high. Beautiful. I wonder, can I make it like bigger? I add a layer with the same image, but just like stretch. No, do not stretch. Unless nearest neighbor. Low quality Sarah. It looks like a Minecraft creeper. Do not increase the resolution. Okay, don't increase the resolution. There we go. Now I want to save this as in VS Projects floating Sarah. I want to add a folder. Textures Sarah. And then Sarah.png. Now, how do I draw texture? Draw texture. Okay, so it's just this, and because the size is already correct, it's just draw texture and then plus X plus Y. Instead of... So I can remove 60/60 and the color. And it's... What is it called? Draw texture. Draw texture, impose, and what? Oh, I need to actually... Color tint. None, I guess? How do I get a texture 2D? Is that down in here? How do I add a texture? Texture, no. Begin text, no. Can I just... copy path. Oh, sorry, I need to copy relative path. Can I just textures sarah.png? Argument type char is incompatible with type texture 2. So how do I create a texture 2D? Do I have to just create a struct, I guess? Struct texture. I guess? I guess I'll do that. Start. Struct. Texture. Equals that, I guess? See, that's wrong. Oh wait, I think I did this wrong around. Sarah text 2D. How to create a new texture 2D Raylib. This is an example. This is all in start. I guess I could just can I just steal this code? Copy relative path. And then what does it do in draw? Draw texture. But I don't need that for that, because I'll use this. Draw texture. I have this down here. It's just called texture. Does this work now? Will this draw Sarah? No, it still draws a square. That's weird because I've removed the draw square. I guess I'm going back to the example. Yeah, it's just draw texture, width, height. I guess I need to write white. Why is this red? Two view arguments. I fix it now. if I build it now. It works. Sarah is that she's very small. This makes it look like a Flash game. This looks like a Flash game. Can I increase the size? Can I like double resize? Like if I do 120 by 120. Now if I run it, this is gonna be way too big now, by the way. I know this for a fact. It is gonna be, yeah, she's huge. I do actually, that might be a better size. I just need to reduce this by like 60. No, that wasn't the one I needed to reduce by 60. It's this one. So 760 is what's that now. There we go. I think maybe I should make it like 100 wider. Which means I need to add 50 to this. That's 325. There we go. Sarah is indeed starting to float. I've officially done 1 out of like, how many tasks do I need to create? Sarah, make her move. Create clouds that come down. Also thunderclouds that come down. Detect collision. Wait, so Sarah, clouds, collision. Death. Scoreboard. And you know what? I might create a main menu. I might just do it. We'll have to see. But I think that is all for today's stream. I think that Sarah texture is already better. Maybe I won't ask Slyfox for texture advice. I just realized I've been on top chat this whole time. I'm going to be on live chat. But for anyone who was at the stream, thank you for coming. I don't actually know what my ending soon is like. No, that's just lame. I'll fix that up later. And we won't use that for now. Anyway, thank you for coming. Oh, what's this button do? Ooh. Whoa, okay, I've just found something in my OBS. Oh. I can make the zone around Sarah just vanish. I could just like get a sky texture. What is an AVIF file? What? What is an AVIF file? I've never even heard of that. WebP. I'm a WebP defender. As much as I hate it, I would defend WebP. Now I go back to the game. And I add a source in OBS for image. And I want it to be under everything. So maybe just under display capture. Never mind, this doesn't... What am I even doing? I'm just wasting time now. Anyway, yes, thank you to anyone who came. It's very cool. There'll be a stream same time next... There might be 2 streams next week, I don't know. We'll see how busy I am. If I get my assignments done early, there might be 2 streams, if not just the one on Sunday.